The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making her way to the ring from the pits of hell, the Warden.
And guys, this looks to be a match with major implications here in WWE. Could change the entire landscape here.
She is physically and mentally prepared for the task at hand in tonight's match.
This is gonna be good.
And accompanied by Donald from the pits of hell, the Rejected.
This superstar won't ever throw in the towel. The WWE Universe keeps egging him on. That is a recipe for disaster.
Oh wait, what is so wrong with the WWE Universe supporting this superstar?
It's all a prelude to a big fall, Saxton. The WWE Universe will only support you as long as you're successful. Mark my words.
She loves the reaction she receives from the WWE Universe, and I think she's going to take that energy into the match, too.
And you have to respect the work this superstar has been putting in order to meet the kind of challenge she faces tonight.
Without a doubt, we've seen the hard work paying off. You don't find yourself in a match like this without dedicating your time into your craft.
All that time spent has her in a good position to pull off a victory here.
And she has to face a woman who has been at the top of her game. It's going to be hard for anyone to take on a superstar with the kind of trajectory she's been on lately. Miss Molly.
She has to figure something out for this.
Yeah, a lot of work going into keeping her down now.
Knew what was coming there.
That's the trigger for her to battle her way back into this. Back suplex, no! Driven down.
Places her right in the corner. Right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot.
Punch! She's dazed on the top turnbuckle. Up on the top rope.
Hazardous part of town for these two competitors.
This could go south in a hurry. Here we go.
Superplex! She's beginning to flag a little. She shoots up the top rope.
Dangerous thinking.
Flying.
Look out.
Showing absolutely no apprehension to putting one's body on the line.
Oh, yeah, she's saying, let's go, bring it. Stomping, ouch.
Pop right in the stomach creates the separation.
Overhand connects.
Spine buster. Elbow drop.
Piercing. What are you waiting for? Get back in there.
You tell him, Saxton.
She goes back inside the ropes.
Yikes, that'll be looking to end it here.
This could be it. Kicks out before the 2 count.
Giving a massive effort to overcome the pin attempt.
Watch the quickness on this.
Into the snap suplex.
Punishing their opponent.
Loving blow to the chest.
Oh.
Climbing to the top rope.
hell-bent on finishing.
Oh, look out. Diving shoulder tackle. She got the shoulders down. No, she kicks out.
She just will not go away.
Oh, that backfired on her.
Beautiful arm wringer applied. Leg lariat with the arm wrench. Very nice.
Down with force.
Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal forearm.
And now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle.
She's getting back to her feet, but is there fight left?
From the top.
Missile drop kick.
Uh-oh, carefully measured.
Oh, man, leg drop arm breaker. This one is headed outside, guys.
Well, this is a warning to grab our stuff and go.
Keep it in the ring, please. Saxton's a very fragile boy. She's been on the offensive for a little while now, showing a lot of fury with her attacks.
Crippling attack on the knee. She's taking a beating here.
This is where endurance becomes so important in the late stages of the match.
Shoulders down.
Why? She had it right where she wanted her.
She doesn't want the suffering to end, that's why.
Great counter. Whip back into the ring.
To the gut. I know what's next.
Move. That's a match-winning move, guys.
From the middle rope.
Oh, splash.
Momentum's breaking away from her. Yeah, but now we'll see if she can hold up against this burst.
Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
Elbow drop.
Piercing.
Quite an effective counter.
She's trying to fight back in this one.
Clothesline. Ooh. Big blows.
What a counter.
Great job refocusing to reverse that.
She heads out, but this one can be lost by countout.
Taken down with the doorbuster. He's firing up, no doubt about it.
Boom! Shades of the USSR with a hammer and sickle. We're undoubtedly nearing the end.
There is no way this can go on for much longer.
Look at her grabbing the momentum here.
Yeah, she's really keeping her opponent contained.
Put it in the corner now.
Full control of their opponent, slamming their opponent right in front of the corner with more in mind here. Look out! Oh, got the knees up. Could be a big turnaround here.
An arm wrench. And some late game offense finds the mark.
She might have her sights set on putting...
Uh-oh. Kick out. I thought it was finished off for sure.
You gotta be kidding me.
Surviving that maneuver is absolutely amazing.
And that result leaves everyone shocked. Will the shoulder come up if that move hits one more time? The heart of these competitors is showing through tonight.
The adrenaline is coursing through their veins. Boom! Oh.
She returns the favor there, coming back in the ring. Look at this. Oh, a backbreaker.
Right to the spine.
And she's gone after her opponent's core a few times now.
Oh, foot just stomping down.
Going up top.
From the top.
Oh, it's a piercing elbow.
She's struggling to defend herself.
She's got to reestablish herself back into the match now.
There we go.
I know what's next.
Nice kick.
Man, what a great move. The cover.
Man, that was a hard-fought win. She's got to be proud of herself tonight.
Here is your winner, the Warrior.
And this victory is one for the record books.
We call a lot of matches, but this one's going to stick in my mind for weeks to come.
I agree with you on that, Corey. This one was unforgettable.